Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are installing side moldings on our 2013 Acura ZDX. These side moldings help reduce the chances of door dings on your vehicle. Basically, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process. This is an OEM molding, and it comes with all of this. It comes with alcohol wipes too, but the alcohol wipes are all dried out, so I'm using isopropyl alcohol in a bottle. Microfiber towel to clean where we're going to install it, and this is just mounts with 3M double-sided tape, so it's nothing that's super permanent. It holds for years, but let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So get your alcohol. You can use a lot, it dries really fast. You want to clean off this as well as you can. You see this line right here? This goes into your door jamb. This bottom edge lines up with the door as well. Let's grab our masking tape. So I want this masking tape, so line up this with the door jamb, both top and bottom. Alright, I like that right there. So go ahead and stick this. We're going to make sure everything lines up perfect. So for this, go ahead and peel this off completely. So I don't have a rubber roller, so I'm just going to use my hand to press it down. Right, pull back 2 to 3 inches. Alright, there we go. So that's all we exposed. And then now line up everything. So the main thing you need to line up is the drain hole. Right. So look at this drain hole right here. Now press this against the door. Right. And now we take these 2 ends and we pull it away. There you go. Now use your hand and just press this all the way down. Slide it along. So we're using our hand as kind of like a roller. Make sure you have a glove on so it slides. Alright, there's the front piece. Right, both ends are exposed. Start this 2 to 3 inches as well. There we go. Alright, so this one we did it on the back side. It doesn't really matter. Alright, so what you want to do is line up this drain hole as well. Press it down. Pull this. Press this onto the door. I'm going to use my towel so it glides a little better. And then now we remove this masking tape. Done. How's that look? It's factory, so it should look pretty good. It should look like our other car. All right, let's do the other side. Make sure you clean this really well. Okay, let's start with the front, and we want this edge. Okay, so that's pretty perfect right here. Now I'm going to take this all the way across. You don't want this to shift. So we're gonna undo this protective liner. So front protective liner is off, back protective liner is off. Now we want to peel from this front side. These are a little tricky for everyone to pull off. There we go. But that means it's a good adhesive. Line up the drain hole. So I'm looking at this drain hole right here. Do you see this little notch? Right there. That lines up with this line. Okay. Press the front and back. There. And then now you pull these two. Grab your towel and just slide down. Put firm pressure and roll it back and forth. Exposing that. Now, both ends are off. So I'm pulling from the back side. I don't think it really matters if it's front or back, as long as you do one end. Alright, so expose that, line up, drain hole. Pull this. Grab your towel. All right, let's go ahead and pull this off. See how good we got it. Perfect. All right, well, there you have it. That's how you install side moldings on a 2010 to 2013 Acura ZDX. Let me know if you have any questions or run into any issues. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.